For, let's say, a half century or so, the strength of our embedded industry has been to focus on efficiency. The reason for how embedded insurance have worked very strongly is that we have a low-cost mass distribution. If you think about this in some kind of real point numbers, one number that I have in mind is the distribution cost for a very standardized travel policy. Distribution cost, I'm saying now, we don't speak about commission or anything. That is maybe around 5% of the overall premium. It's very scalable, it's simple, and therefore also affordable. It's really a product that is built for economies of scale. And then if you compare that with something that is hyper-personalized, very dynamic in its pricing and its policy, delivered through a truly embedded challenge. This product is, as you can imagine, much more better for the individual. It's more adequate. But also, if you look through the numbers, you're speaking about distribution costs that can be some 300 to 400% higher than the standardized product that I spoke about before. So now we come into this trade-off between the perfect adequacy through personalization with the risk of having very scalable, low-cost distribution for high customization. So you have this complexity. And this is actually not just a theoretical risk, this is a real risk. And some analysts are already warning of this. And they're highlighting that if you focus too much on the high margin, complex personalized products, we could inadvertently create basic insurance unaffordable for up to 30% of the current, not the 700, the current mass market that we're servicing. So this is a tool that we need to solve between adequacy to not become something to destroy the access on what we've worked so much for to actually complete. And this now create this difficult question that we're trying to address here today. So what should be our primary mission? Is it to build a perfect, more expensive product for a segment that is a part of the population, or is it more to provide a good enough, affordable safety net for everyone, or is it a middle way? And as you well understand, everybody, this is not an actual problem about pooling risk. That's not what we speak about here today. It's an economic problem around distribution and production.